Welcome, greeting. Very happy evening. Actually, I'm going to record this in the evening time. So, rest of the people from another world, another part of the country, good evening, good afternoon, whatever the time is there. So, let's see. Today, I'm going to discuss about especially that binary multiplication and division. Binary addition and subtraction already we have done in the previous video. Those who have not seen, if you are already subscribed person or suddenly you have got this video, if you subscribe you can find out it in the previous video recording session where this rest of the operation already done. So today we are going to discuss especially about this. Like for example, here two questions are given. One is related to the multiplication and one is given related to the division. But before doing the division, okay, before doing the division, you should come to the rules. Okay, that which rule is applied over here. Alright, so here the rule is very important. Now, uh, mix up is there. Don't worry about it. For example, if you multiply in normal mass arithmetic multiplication, now what is that? There you also follow the same thing like zeros are into zeros are alright is equal to 0 only, and 0 into 1 ones are, you can say whatever you say is equal to 0. So 0 into 0, same concept in maths also, no difficulty to recall the concept. 0 into 1, again it will be 0 because you know very well that in maths also, alright, that if 0 is multiplied with any number, any value, so 0. Then same concept, 1 into 0 is equal to 0. So you have seen that record your maths concepts, so automatically your all rule will be, easy for you. Like 1 into 1 you keep as it is. Alright. So these rules will help you to do the multiplication one by one. But again, of course, sometimes it creates confusion because you do binary addition, then subtraction, and then multiplication. Every time, the rule keeps changing. So I know it's not easy to recall, but again, I'm telling you, practice. Everything is the practice. So let's see this and then let's come back to the question. Okay, so now again you have already done, okay, in your normal maths you have done, but here you can see the stairs which way, but I'll try to help you in the same way. Now first is your 0, right? You can see first one is your 0. So 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 0 is a 0, the same rule means 0. Why? It means starting three conditions are followed over there, right? Now below this nothing is there, so for the safer side, I can put the cross, that will be much better, okay? And if you want here, I will put the cross so that you can, identify that yes, here we do not have to start anything. Same way, so here 0. Now this A part done. Now let's come to the 1. So 1 into 1, as usual 1. Keep revisiting the rules also. Okay. Then again 1 ones are 1, 1 zeros are 0, and then 1 ones are 1. So you can see this B part is also done very nicely. Now let's come to the third part. One was there and one is here, so almost same thing, same. Alright, of course multiplication or you redo, this will give you a practice. Okay, so 1 ones are, it is 1, 1 ones are, again it's 1, and then 1 zeros are 0 and 1 ones are, again means C part is also done. Now the question comes here. Okay, the question comes here. Mainly now you have to deal with the addition. It means if you are doing multiplication then you have to recall, or you should remember, alright, you should remember that addition rule also. So let's see that addition rule. According to that, here they have done 0 and 0, 1, as it is 1. So now again, when 1, 2 and 3 is there, you have to see it's simple 0, so no issue. But again, 1 and 1. So please recall that what was that when 1 1 is there, so what it was, that it becomes 1 0. They have noted down 0 here, and 1 has gone for the carry. Now again 1 and 1, again it is 0, carry has gone 1. Okay, so again 1 and 1 has become 0, and then carry has become 1. Okay, oh no space, I'm trying to adjust. Now finally 1 is 1, always 10, that you know. So student, it is very important that only knowing the binary rules was not sufficient here. Okay, it's not sufficient here. So you have to recall your addition rule also. Okay, so every time it's not difficult, but student, again, just to recall the rules, you have to recall the rules and maximum practice. Maximum practice is very important, right? And one more thing you have noticed, like I'll come here at the bottom area, in the binary value, after the binary value, you can see here it is written 2. So the 2 is used to show the binary value. Fine. Please remember this. This is called base value. Okay, this is called base value. So binary has the base value 2. Okay, like for example, if I'm writing here 45. So what is a 45? 45, it is decimal. So if I have to write it in the form of the base value, so I'm going to write like this. This is the way we write down the base value. And in future, very soon, I'm going to teach you the binary number conversion, octal number, hexadecimal number, or some other number. Then I will discuss about the base, that how you have to put the base, else confusion can come. Okay, so some key points are also there, but I am telling you, this is for your just reminder. But again, follow the rules, and this is the way how you can finish your multiply. All right. Now let's come to the division portion. Okay. Now here you can see that we have the division portion. Yes, sometimes, of course, sometimes the division can be challenging. The reason is that why will you think, how will you think that you have to do that division in a different way? Alright. So you keep practicing and wait for the next part of the video. There I will explain this division in a detailed manner. Why I am leaving this now? Okay, the main concern is first you focus on this, because in this now addition rule also you have to recall. So it is my suggestion that you first do this, alright, and after that you do another one. Okay, so I'm just going to give you some question, and then you try those exercises. Okay, so that will help you to know that. Okay, so I'm giving you some questions. Okay, so you can note down the question. Okay, and then multiplication. So which way, like for example 1 1 0, and then base. Yes, I'll put the base so that you also remember that base. Then another number I'm giving you 1 0 1 0, and again I'm putting it as the base, and then you calculate whatever is the answer. Okay, now second one I'm giving you 0 1 1 1. Okay, and do you want me a bigger number? It will not make any difference. Let's try. Okay, then, and finally, and think, intentionally I have given you this. Okay, intentionally I have given you that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 it is, and it is here 4. So what you should do? Okay, you think about it. Is this correct question, or what changes you need to do? Okay, what you do if the complete bit is not there, what you have to do, that you have to find out. And you can multiply. I'm giving you only 3 layer, and then base binary base. Then finally you do this. Okay. And one more thing, in previous video where I was teaching, I have told you that you do the calculation and how to check your calculation, but make sure you do it on paper. Solve it, follow the rules and solve it. Then you can go to the calculator option where in your computer. Okay, calculator option you go, fine. And I have suggested what you have to select the programmer one. Okay, programmer calculator. Once you go, by default sometime it will be standard one. Okay, by default it will be standard. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to switch to programmer. This you remember. Okay, switch to programmer. And what will be the benefit? It will give you all, right? Decimal number system, binary, okay, and octa, hexa, all kind of it will give you. Okay, all these four are there. So once you do, okay, once you take the number, make sure binary is already selected. Okay, in front of that the tick mark is there or whatever the symbol is there. Okay, so in that calculator, again I'm telling you, you use the calculator option. Okay, in Windows, just in the search bar you search it, and then you just go to the already standard must be selected. And if frequently you are using programmer calculator, so programmer calculator will be, if it is not there, just you can see that this way three horizontal lines will be there. Just click on that and you will get the programmer, and then you will find all these. So and once you will do, then you will see that everything will be deactivated means no number you will find out, only 0 and 1 will be activated. So it will help you to perform it. Okay, if you want to see how to use a calculator in binary addition and subtraction, both the videos you check and then you will find it out. All right, so take care. Please remember to subscribe. It helps me, it helps me to make the content more frequently and post it. So love and take care everyone. Keep watching. All right.